Looking for cool gadgets to simplify your life? Here are 6 must-have Amazon finds that will upgrade your daily routine. From home essentials to tech tools, these gadgets are total game changers. Don't miss out. Subscribe now and check the link below. The JTBS foldable travel hangers are a convenient and durable solution for organizing clothes on the go. Made from high-quality polypropylene, these hangers are designed with a smooth, wide shoulder to protect your garments. The one-click folding mechanism makes it easy to store and collect clothes quickly, perfect for travel, hiking, or camping. Their foldable design allows for easy packing in your luggage, making them an ideal accessory for those who need efficient, space-saving solutions. The Easy-Off Jar Opener is an essential kitchen gadget designed to make opening jars and bottles effortless. Ideal for those with weak hands or arthritis, it features a one-handed operation that allows you to easily open tight, vacuum-sealed, or stubborn lids. The compact under-cabinet design saves counter space and keeps the opener within easy reach. Made from durable plastic with a non-slip grip, it ensures secure handling with minimal effort. This practical tool is perfect for seniors, kids, or anyone who needs a little extra help in the kitchen. The set includes 2 openers for added convenience. The KP Kitchen Pancake Batter Dispenser is a must-have kitchen tool for making perfect pancakes, cupcakes, waffles, and more. Designed with a high-quality BPA-free plastic body, this dispenser features a wide mouth for easy filling and a quick close valve that prevents leaks, keeping your kitchen clean. The new, durable design ensures the pulley handle won't break, while the portion control valve helps you make evenly sized pancakes every time. Whether you're making batter for pancakes, muffins, or even pizza sauce, this dispenser offers versatility and ease of use, making baking fun and mess-free. The SkyConser silicone bottle covers are a must-have for travelers, designed to keep your toiletries safe and leak-free during trips. Made from high-quality elastic silicone, these covers fit most travel-sized bottles like shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and cosmetics. The leak-proof design prevents spills, protecting your luggage from messy accidents. These covers are reusable and stretchable, offering a secure fit for your containers. Perfect for family vacations, cruises, or flights, they come in a set of 16 colorful covers, making them a practical and essential travel accessory. The Serene Life Towel Warmer Bucket offers a luxurious spa-like experience with the convenience of warming towels, blankets, or bathrobes at home. With its spacious design, it can accommodate large towels or even a cozy throw blanket. The easy-to-use one-touch button and built-in timer allow for a customized warming experience, while the automatic shutoff feature ensures safety. It also includes a fragrance disc holder to keep your towels smelling fresh. Compact and lightweight, this towel warmer is a perfect gift for any occasion, adding comfort and luxury to your daily routine. The Calmiotis Corner Protectors offer an effective and stylish solution to protect your little ones from sharp furniture corners. Made from high-density PVC, these corner guards are more durable than foam or silicone alternatives, ensuring they stay in place with strong adhesive. Their clear design blends seamlessly with your furniture, providing safety without sacrificing aesthetics. Easy to install with a quick application process, these protectors are perfect for keeping your home safe while maintaining a modern look. Ideal for tables, cabinets, and other sharp edges, they give you peace of mind while your child explores.